In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a mesh gradient background in Figma using simple shapes, gradients, and blur effects. Start by opening your Figma file and creating a new frame for your background. Next, add a few shapes to the canvas. Circles work especially well for creating smooth mesh gradient effects, but you can use any shape you prefer. Select your first shape and go to the fill section in the right-hand panel. Click on the fill color and change the fill type from solid to radial gradient. Choose two colors for the gradient and adjust the gradient handles to create a smooth color transition. Repeat the same process for the other shapes using different colors to create visual contrast and depth. Arrange the shapes so they overlap each other across the frame. This overlapping effect helps create the blended mesh gradient appearance. For an even softer look, select the shapes and add a layer blur from the effects section. Adjust the blur amount until the colors blend smoothly together. Continue moving, resizing, and adjusting the gradients until you are happy with the overall composition. Once finished, group the shapes or place them behind your design elements to use the mesh gradient as a background. And that's it. You've successfully created a beautiful mesh gradient background in Figma. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.